Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to restore your iPhone without computer or iTunes if you forgot password. So if you forgot the passcode of your iPhone, now you want to unlock it without computer, without iPhone, iTunes, sorry. I'm going to show you everything step by step in this video. So watch this video until the end. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. In order to remove, in order to restore or remove the passcode of your iPhone, you need another device. It can be iPhone or Android device or iPad. So in my case, I am using another iPhone of mine. So you can borrow from friend if you don't have another device. It doesn't matter. You can use Android or Apple device. So to remove this iPhone passcode, I'm going to use this iPhone. So now let me show you everything step by step. So first of all, you have to unlock this iPhone. So once we have the another iPhone, you have to simply click on Safari browser and you have to search for iCloud.com, right? Go to iCloud.com website to remove the passcode of this iPhone. So once you are on this page, you have to click on sign in and you have to enter your Apple ID, the same Apple ID that you are using on this iPhone. You can continue with Touch ID or Face ID, or you can click on use a different Apple ID to sign in your Apple ID manually. So I'm going to sign in the same Apple ID that is logged in on this device. So make sure that you use the same Apple ID in order to unlock this iPhone. It won't work if you uh, just sign in different Apple ID. So here is the same Apple ID that I'm using on this iPhone. So once you're logged in, click on this menu, click on Find My, and on the next page you will see all of your devices, all of your iPhones. So as you can see, here are the iPhones. Then simply just select the iPhone. So if you have multiple device, in order to confirm that you have selected the right device, simply click on Play Sound. And here we go, we have the alert. That means we have selected the right iPhone. Now simply click on Erase iPhone to remove the passcode. Click on Continue. On the next page, you have to enter your Apple ID password again to confirm that you want to restore your iPhone. So once it's signed in, you have to wait. Then simply click on Next. You don't have to enter your phone number. Click on Done. Once you click on Done, the process is completed. Erase has started. Now just simply look on this iPhone. It will automatically start restoring without any computer. Here we go. Now as you can see, the iPhone has been restoring. So then simply click on remove from account. So you don't have to enter the Apple ID again on this iPhone while you are doing the setup. You don't need this device, this iPhone, right? You don't need this anymore. So now just wait for a few minutes until the restore process is completed on this iPhone. So once it's done, you will get this iPhone lock toner. Simply swipe up, select the language. Then on the next page, you have to select your country, right? So I'm going to simply speed up the process so you don't have to wait and watch the full setup. So here we go guys. Now as you can see, the postcode has been removed, the iPhone has been restored without computer or iTunes. Hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.